Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to open the Shopify dashboard in 2025. Shopify is a leading e-commerce platform that allows businesses to create and manage their online stores. To access the Shopify dashboard, you will need to have a Shopify account and a store set up. First, navigate to the Shopify website and click on the Login button located at the top right corner of the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Shopify account. Then click on the Login button. If you are using a new device or browser, you may be prompted to verify your identity through a two-factor authentication process. Once you have logged in, you will be taken to the Shopify admin panel. The admin panel is where you can manage all aspects of your online store, including products, orders, customers, and analytics. To access the dashboard, click on the Dashboard tab located at the top of the page. The dashboard provides a comprehensive overview of your store's performance, including sales, orders, and customer data. On the dashboard, you can view key metrics such as total sales, orders, and customer count. You can also view a graph of your store's sales over time and access key features such as product management, order fulfillment, and marketing tools. To customize your dashboard, click on the Customize button and select the metrics and features you want to display. Best practices for using the Shopify dashboard include regularly checking your store's performance, responding promptly to customer inquiries, and using the analytics tools to inform your marketing and sales strategies. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively manage your Shopify store and drive business growth.